Good day guys, today I'm going to show you a spike detector. Look here my screen. I hope it's visible to you guys. Front of you an arrow just appeared. It's time to open a trade. So let's open a trade on. So now look here, the trade is opened on this arrow signal. How to trade using this system? Very simple, very easy. The right way to make the spikes: once an arrow appears, it's time to open a trade and wait for stop loss. Always be 3 candles. In case there is no spike, you have to close your trade manually after 3 candles. So now wait for spike guys. Look here, a tiny spike. Look here, a big spike guys. This is the power. This is the power of system. Choose any lot size and make the market suffer. Kill the broker using this system. Thanks for watching. Check the description and contact chat with us.